So today is 19th June and the topic is something that you might all relate because the results just came out. And you people might be having this thing that what do we do in life and how do we progress? Usually the question that we get from students is, let's just say somebody is appearing for CA. The question that comes in, sir, how do I study? The answer is very simple. The way you did till now. That is the answer. And I remember there was my class teacher in 10th who told us that you have been through so much in life. This is just one part of it. You people, and usually this happens with artists a lot when we have any project, because we work on it like this is the only thing that we have, and if we fail in this, everything is going to go. And unfortunately, this is the reason why people commit suicide as well. Okay? Because you fail one exam, one friendship comes crushing down, one bankruptcy, one stock market failure, and people think it is all over. So that is why this video is there. Okay. So that when you are standing right now, I want all of you to close your eyes, like in real time, close your eyes right now. And just imagine whatever you're going through, whatever problems, past traumas you're going through. Okay. Right now, something that is looking like a big mountain. Now think, how many of such mountains have you overcome till now? There will be at least 5, 6 that you climbed, you got through it, and now you're here. At the time, there was looking like, I cannot do this is impossible, this exam is too hard to crack, or this person is too hard to deal with. But you have done it and now you're here. And now when you look, there is another mountain. Or if it is not right now, there will be another mountain in a while. And when you reach it, right, this is what I want you to do. Please open your eyes. First of all, zoom out, okay? Zoom out and see your life and you will become anxious. That is what will happen. I have to buy a car, I have to take care of my parents, I have to get married, there will be my kids, then their kids, and entire things that will actually take your sleep away. So that is exactly what we don't do. We don't zoom out. We focus on the details. See, this is your life from year to year, and I'm talking till now. If I go for a year for your entire life, it will keep on going. These mountains will not stop. Your life is supposed to be mountains and valleys. So till now, you have achieved whatever you have achieved, first of all. If you look at how you did that, okay? In all those moments now, you were not thinking about your entire life. You were just thinking about that exam, that person, that monetary amount, whatever it was, and that specific stuff. Right now, what I want you to do is just look at the details. Just simple details, one step after another, then another, then another. And the way you have climbed this, right, you have it in you. There is this recent video that I saw, and I think it was for Lalan Top, and it was Zishan Ayub. Okay, if you people don't know who he is an actor. And he basically said that there was this scene with Nana Patekar. Okay, so the person gave his entire emotions once, then twice, then thrice. Now he is empty inside because he cannot act anymore. He is over. And now he's thinking that how many times can I cry for the same scene? Because after a time, you cannot cry. They told him a very simple thing. He told him, you have already reached that part. You have it in you. Now just say the lines. Don't try to cry. You have already reached that level of emotion. And the same thing is true for you as well. You have reached that level where wherever you are now, right, for your life. And maybe this video is me just convincing you that you are enough. But you have reached that point where you are who you are. Alright, now just focus on the details in front of you. Take one step after another, forget the big picture. Do not look at the penthouse or the Ferrari that you are going to buy. Focus on the that we have right now, and that is good enough, and just go forward with it. And for the artist specifically, the artwork that we make, even for the coders, the website that they are working on, sometimes it becomes daunting. If I'm not able to achieve this project, what the hell will I do with else? But the thing is, this project is only for right now. The thing will come with time, and with time will come experience and power and network and everything else that is about to come here. There will be water, there will be food, there will be everything on the mountain as you climb. Right now, you cannot see it. So right now, let's work with what we see and just get done with it, right? So that was for today. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you so much.